It helps with scarring, itch, and pain. Thank you, babes. It's a triple antibiotic ointment. That's why I thought it was gonna be like way bigger, but since I put that stuff on it, it's not that bad actually. I feel like if I didn't put that stuff on it, it would have been way worse. Like the scar would have been way, 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 way worse. He's 6. I don't even have ramen. My son eats ramen, y'all. That's one of his favorite things to eat is ramen now. Like, he loves it. But I don't have it, so he's 6. And then I'd be putting this on it just because. Yeah, they didn't put stitches because no, it's not posted nowhere. I'm not the type to like post like my DV thing and all that stuff. Like I don't know, because people like, you know, if I like post it, I mean, you probably could find my ex yelling at me on here because people screen record everything. But yeah, it does work good. But y'all, I was like, I just don't like talking about it because it's stressful, y'all. It's like brings up trauma. Like this is from a potential roommate that what is my name. I tried to have someone move in here. She was a crazy lady. She literally assaulted me, punched my face, and then I had my ex who lived here, and he was also, and literally put his hands on me. So now people are using my DV situation as making fun of it. That's all I could say. Making fun of my DV situation. The trolls are making fun of my DV situation. Y'all don't know what that man put me through. Okay, girl. That's cool. And people that make fun of other people's situations, being yelled at, screamed at, hit, like, that's not cool. And screen recording it isn't cool either. Because, you know, they take DV very serious, especially in my state, because it's a woman's state. Thank you for the likes, babes. Y'all, this is my Cash App if anybody can help. I also have PayPal and Chime. People that make fun of people's DV situations never been through it. Should I show the time where my eye was literally black from this man? Y'all like sit here and like think it's a lie. Like I could show you a picture. Like my eye was black. Like black and blue. It's okay. Exactly. And people are so judgmental on this app towards me. It's really crazy. It's okay, babes. No worries. Yeah, it's just like crazy. Like that's why like I'm just like, yeah, tap the live, y'all. That's why I'm just like, why does people on here make fun of people's DV situations? Because one time I had came live, right? And he was screaming at me in the bathroom and yelling at me and calling me names and stuff like that. And the other time, and they screen recorded that stuff. I'm not going through it now. So how are they gonna do anything? Like, I'm not going through it now. It's done. It's over with. But trauma bonds are real. Trauma bonds are really real. Like, trauma bonds are hard to get out of. But once you're away from the person for a very long periods of time, you don't want to go back. Like, because he's out of jail. Like, because he's never, like, before, like, he's never been in jail. So they let him out. For real, I'm not doing nothing wrong. For real, they just judgmental as heck. I've already had CPS called on me. They're not worried about my parenting. And they understand that I'm struggling mother. And I'm trying to do the best for my son as I can. So they don't just take your kids away just because you're struggling. They take your kids away usually when they're neglected and abused. Like, they see my son. If I only have like 2 pieces of bread or whatever the case may be, I'm going to give that to my son. I'm not going to feed myself. I'm going to give that to my son. I'm going to give that to my son. And yeah, my last I'll give to my son. Like, that's the thing. Like, no matter what people say, at the end of the day, I'm a good mother. And I've had CPS called on me multiple times because of people on TikTok and stuff. I mean, there's a whole snark page about me that has my address on it. Like, you think it bothers me? No. I know. They just say dumb things because they have nothing better to do with their lives. They just sit here and bully somebody because they're bored with their life. I have a whole snark page with my address and everything on it. Like, hey, and my place of work. Like, yeah, they dox me. I have a job. Thank you, babes. Well, that's what somebody was saying last time, that my address is on Reddit. I'm trying to get a second job. I have a job interview on Wednesday. I'm just trying to make it through then. I do get government assistance, but I get food stamps, but I don't get very much. And I can't get TANF because I already had it, and you only could get 60 months in your lifetime. Yeah, that's why I don't have my real name on there. No, they literally, someone that I trusted, or I don't know who it was. I can't point names because, well, I only did it for a few. So, they literally, ordered food to my house. And then after they did that, they put my address on Reddit. And that's why I don't do deliveries. Thank you, babes. That's why I don't do deliveries to my house, because of that. Like, I would, but you can't trust nobody. I don't know who it was, so I can't point fingers, but it was someone. I do have a car. It's just a tough spot. Like, I'm trying to get a second job so I don't have to be on here. If I get a second job, I'll be good, because I'll be getting paid, like, I would do DoorDash, but I don't have gas, y'all. You need gas to DoorDash. You can't DoorDash on no gas. Like, it's okay. I did do it before. Like, what are you talking about, lady? What are you talking about? If you don't like me, just get out, baby. I don't wake up every day to impress you. Nobody on this app. If you don't like what I'm doing, just get out, period. It's not that hard. Go to someone else's life. Not mine. Because you will be blocked or muted if you're going to hate on me. Whatever, blonde revolver. Yeah, I know. Amanda was literally on live 2 times yesterday and got money every single time she was on live. And when I do it, it's the biggest problem in the world. Like, people just sit there and, oh, you don't work. I do work. But I can't even get help. Hey, but she can get help and she has no job? Okay, make it make sense. I know. Yeah, and she is on rugs. Like, she is, like, big time. I'm not. At all. You're gonna have to wait. If I was homeless and I had a car, I would be in my motherfucking car. I wouldn't be outside. And didn't she get the money? I'm pretty guaranteed she got the money for whatever she needed. Her rugs, her next fix. I just need food. That's what I need. I don't do rugs. I never did it in my entire life. I have a job, Marilyn. Thank you, babies. Y'all, I just need $45 more. This is my Cash App, y'all, if anybody. She's not homeless. She lives with... Why is she lying then? Why? Yeah, girl. I'm trying to get a second job, babes. It's been hectic. I've been living paycheck to paycheck. She doesn't even have a car, y'all. That's stupid. And she has somewhere to live and she's lying about that. Why can't you just be honest? Thank you, babes. Why can't you just be honest? I'm honest. Y'all want to see my freezer? Pew, pew. Everyone lives paycheck to paycheck. Not everybody. So don't speak for everybody. Don't speak for everybody, girl. Like, you're weird. That's crazy, y'all. Brittany requested $100. Girl, what is your problem? I'm not... Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all because you guys think that I be lying. Y'all think I be lying? Look, there ain't shit. This is empty, y'all. I don't know why an empty thing is in my motherfucking thing. Y'all, these are plates that my son likes to put in the freaking fridge. Everyone is struggling. Turn your request off. Okay. Yeah, but this is my fridge. Like, this, there ain't shit in here. Like, that was just plates, y'all. I know I need to clean my fridge again, but I cleaned it out before I went live. Where, babe? I literally was just standing there. What are you talking about? I don't know what's wrong with people. Y'all, and my son has autism. He don't eat everything. He don't eat everything, y'all. He's picky. Like, he's not picky. He has food aversions. He's autistic. Do you not understand that? Mackenzie, yeah. Yeah, that's what he has. And people that don't have someone, like people that have never been around someone like that wouldn't know the struggle. Okay, I gotta turn these requests off because this is ridiculous at this point. Yeah, the people that want to see my fridge never helps, for real. I'm okay. They just sit here and hate on me. Yeah. They requested me from, nothing happened. The first, y'all. But, somebody said, requested $100 for pixie sticks and tampons. What the fuck? Thank you, babes. Oh my gosh, bro. These people are weird, for real. You think you're funny. No, they don't understand it. No, I didn't spin them. My freezer had gone bad and everything went bad, and I'm waiting for them to replace them. So let's ask questions before you assume. And it's been 11 days since the first, and $200 don't last very long. Especially when you live in the city. Everything is expensive. You go to the QFC, you buy 4 or 5 items, it's literally $70, $80. Let's be real. Exactly. Especially with the child that, he eats. Yeah.